Hi, this is Billy. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make free ringtones with Audacity. Of course, you're going to need the lame encoder for it, but otherwise it's completely free. All you have to do is supply the music and have a Bluetooth file transfer device. And I'll show you how to do that. Just gonna resize this real quick. Alright, file, open up the song that you want as a ringtone. Now just play through it a little and figure out what part you want in there. That whole little pause there, I'm gonna get rid of that right now. See, now it starts faster. Alright, so I want the actual chorus part of that, so I'm just going to delete the beginning altogether. And we don't want that little pause there, so we'll get rid of that climb. There we go. And I think that's good enough for a ringtone right there. So now all you have to do, export and rename it. See, I've already made all those ringtones right there. Never enough. I just keep the original name and just put ringtone at the end. Save that. Okay. Alright, now go to Documents or wherever you saved it. Find it in there. Right there. If you have a Bluetooth device and it's all working and everything, it should just come up when you go to send to. I have my phone paired to it, so next, it's connecting. Now it's sending it. And boom, there it is on my phone. And here, I'll even play it for you guys. If you can hear it, then alright, now. And we just made it, and after you've done that, you now have a new ringtone. Thanks for watching.